Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through exactly how to generate leads for your carpet cleaning business without spending a single dollar on paid advertising. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I'm the CEO and owner of a company called Add to Grow Business, or AGB, and we specialize in one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot. Guaranteed. We've worked with hundreds of carpet cleaners all over the world, and in the last 12 months alone, we've spent over $2 million on paid advertising for the carpet cleaning industry. So we really know what works and what converts. And on this YouTube channel, I want to share with you some of the hacks, cracks, the hints and tips, and the things that we've learned through our experience of growing and scaling carpet cleaning businesses, in the hope that you might be able to take some of this stuff on board and use it to grow your carpet cleaning business too. I'm on a personal mission to help as many carpet cleaning businesses in the world as humanly possible, whether that's through working with them one-on-one through our special program or through this YouTube channel. So let's dive right in. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to generate leads for your carpet cleaning business without spending a single dollar on ads. Now, that's not to say that paid advertising isn't important. As a company, this is exactly what we do for carpet cleaners. And to be, quite frank with you, if you really want to grow, if you want to make $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, $25,000 a month on repeat, paid advertising is the way to go for your carpet cleaning business. But what I'm about to show you over the next 3 videos is something which can reinforce your paid advertising and give it a bit of a boost. Number 2, if you're just starting out, if you're like literally new to the carpet cleaning game and you don't have the funds available to do paid advertising yet, this is a great way to get started, to get those first few jobs through the door and kickstart your carpet cleaning business. So let's dive right into the training now. The next thing is like you need to get eyes on your business on this profile, right? And this is again where I see so many people fail. Again, let's use this dude as like a bit of an example. Like, it's awesome that this guy is posting like all of this content. This is amazing, right? This is great. Call us, this, that, and the other, blah, blah, blah. But the problem is this guy's only got 555 friends, and the vast majority of them are actual carpet cleaners. So like, it's all good that you've like built this out at the top. It's all good that you post every day, but I absolutely guarantee you that it's probably not generating him any business. He's got 3 likes. Amiga Steam liked it, another carpet cleaner. Cabbage Patch Interiors, which is some business, and that's it. And his one buddy's made 1 comment. So he's doing all of this work, but he's not actually generating any business from the actual profile itself. So how do you do that? How do you leverage this now that you've built it out and get it in front of all the right people and actually have people messaging you? Well, there's a 2-part process to this. The second bit of it is the actual hack, where we're going to hack the Facebook algorithm. But before we hack the algorithm, there's a step that we need to do in the beginning, and I'm actually going to run you through that. So how you do it, it's super simple. So what you do is you go to your friends list and you find a friend of yours. Maybe it's like your wife or something like that, right? Like, you find a friend of yours who lives in your hometown. I'm just going to show you this as like a little like demo. Most of this guy's friends are carpet cleaners, but I'll just use it for you as an example. So let's say Rebecca, she's a friend of yours from school and she lives in your town where you do business. Great. So you click on her profile, you pull it up, right? Here she is. And then what you do is you go to her friends list. And what you want to do is you want to start adding your ideal customers as friends. So you want to start opening up the profiles of these people. Where does this guy live? Does he live in the same town as me where I do business? Yes or no? Okay, he does. Great. Is he like one of my ideal customers? For example, you wouldn't want to add some kid who's 16 playing Xbox in his profile picture to your profile as a friend, because the reality is that he's probably never going to hire you, right? He's a little kid, he's a teenager, he lives at home with his parents. And likewise, a 21-year-old girl that lives on campus at university, it's unlikely she's going to hire you. So you want to go through your friends and find the people that A, live in your serviceable zone, and B, are people that might actually want to hire you. So you do that, and the ones that you come across that are a good fit, you add them as friends. And what happens is really, really cool. What happens is is when they get the friend request, it's going to say that you've got a mutual friend in common, right? And they're going to say, oh, this is a friend of Alison or whoever. Cool. So they're much more likely to add you. And so if you imagine, if you add 10 friends from your current friends list a day, and then when those people add you as a friend, you go on their profile, okay? And again, you rinse and repeat. You go through their friends list and you find the people that are your ideal customer on their friends list that live in your town, and you add those as friends as well. And then when they add you as friends, you go to their friends list, so on and so forth, rinse and repeat. And like I say, every time those people are getting those requests from you, they're going to see that you've got a mutual friend in common, and so they're much more likely to add you. Let's just run some numbers to just show you how effective this part alone can be, right? Here's what you do. Like, you add 10 friends a day. If you were to do that in 10 days, that's 100 potential customers that are on your friends list. 10 a day times 10 is 100, times that by 3, that's 300 customers in a month. If you were to add 10 friends a day, in 3 months, you would have 900 potential customers on your profile. And this is the step that people miss, okay? Let's go back to this guy. Like, he's doing all the right stuff. Like, he's got the profile at the top like this. He's got the content. He's taking time to do this, but he's only got 500 friends, and most of them, nearly all of them, are carpet cleaners. What about Chip? Is he a carpet cleaner? Let's find out. Owner operator of TLC Carpet Cleaning. So that's the step that gets missed. You need to go and actually get eyeballs on your business by going out there and adding your ideal customers that live in your town as friends. And you can do that by going through your friends list. Maybe you'll go to your wife's profile, go and add 10 friends of hers to your friends list. They're going to see, and they're going to be like, oh, that's so-and-so's husband. They're going to be like, cool, awesome. Then when they add you, like I say, you go to their friends list and add the next batch that also live in your town that'd be great customers. And they see, oh, that's a friend of so-and-so. So they add you. And the other cool thing that happens is this: a percentage of those people, a percentage of them, not all of them, a percentage of them are going to check out your profile. And so when they do and they land, because you've got this thing built out and it says, I clean carpets in Miami, we're family owned, we're amazing here and here, and you've got this big billboard, and then it makes it very easy for them to contact you. A percentage of the people that check out your profile will be like, oh wow, that's so-and-so's friend, they own a carpet cleaning business, I do actually need to get my carpets cleaned, let me message. And then they're going to hit you up on Messenger, be like, hey, I see we're both friends of blah blah blah, I actually need my carpets cleaned, can you come round next week? You've got an inquiry. Just by simply building this out like this, like I just detailed earlier, and just simply going and adding friends of friends every day of the week. And to give you an idea of how long that would take, you can do it from your cell phone, and it's probably going to be a matter of just simply adding, it's going to take you a matter of minutes. It's just a matter of going on your phone, going through the friend, your friends are your friends, add 10 a day. That's it, 10 to 20 a day. And just to give you like a rough number of figures as well, let's say you add 300 in a month, 300 potential customers. Let's say out of those 300 potential customers that you add, 90% don't even bother to look at your profile, but 10% do. That's 30 people that have just checked out your profile. And let's say out of those 30 people, just half of them message you. That's still 15 inquiries, 15 jobs, 15 extra jobs in a month, right? And let's do the math on this right now. I'm going to get my calculator up, right? Let's say your average ticket price is $150 and you generate 15 jobs just from doing this, building out your profile and adding 10 friends a day. That's $2,250 in business from just 5 minutes work in the morning adding friends. And let's say 50% of those people go on to become your regular customer and use you every 3 months. The ROI on this long term, it might be 10 grand or something. If you've been enjoying this series of videos in the YouTube channel and you'd like to work with us on a one-on-one basis to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, to grow, to scale it, it to generate jobs on autopilot with our specialist system, head to the description down below where you'll find a link to schedule a Zoom call. But be warned, there are only 5 slots open at the moment to bring on new carpet cleaning businesses into our one-on-one program. It's strictly limited, so be quick, go to the description, click the link, schedule a time now while you still can. We'll see you on Zoom, and we're really excited to walking you through our program, through our system, and showing you how we can work with you directly to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.